Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to make some noise with a buzzer and a switch. Step 1. Place a buzzer, a slide switch and a battery. Step 2. Connect the negative leg of the buzzer to the battery's negative terminal. Step 3. Connect the positive leg of the buzzer to one of the switch's terminals. Connect the switch's common leg to the battery's positive terminal. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.